Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about access levels, followed by job roles, and how the combination of the two helps define your user profile. As an administrator, to modify the system and define access levels, you will need a specific set of permissions. To access this page, click on your username at the bottom left corner of the screen and select Company Settings. This is where you'll find the access levels and permission groups we mentioned. To make life easier for system admins or those building the system from the ground up, Birdview provides a few out-of-the-box access level options. These are predefined roles you can use as is or customize to fit your needs. If you decide to create a custom access level, we highly recommend copying an existing one to save time. For example, you can copy the project owner role, rename it to project manager, and adjust its permissions accordingly. Any changes you make, whether global permissions or permissions at the project level, are managed here. This is one of the key building blocks when configuring your system. Once access levels are configured, we move on to job roles. Job roles in Birdview are closely tied to the role a resource plays on a specific project, rather than just a job title. For instance, if you're a marketing firm and need a content creator on a project, that would be a job role. Birdview provides a few default options, but you'll likely want to create custom roles based on your needs. In our example, we've created a custom job role for content creator and added specific skills related to that role. These skills will become important later when assigning resources. You can also define the bill rate, what you charge clients, and the internal rate, your cost, for that role. These values help you calculate profitability and manage costs more effectively. This information can be overridden at the user level. Users are the individuals who will use the application. When configuring a user, we combine the access level and job role you've created. Let's take a user named John Doe as an example. John has a unique email address, which is required, and we assign him the content creator job role. John is also part of a specific team, which helps us to assign work more efficiently. If he's not part of a team, you can simply leave that field blank. You can also specify the skills John brings. For instance, he's skilled in Photoshop. While the default bill rate for a content creator is $120 per hour, John's individual rate can be adjusted to $200 per hour. Similarly, his internal rate can be changed from the default $60 to $75. Lastly, we define John's personal schedule. This determines his availability, for example, Monday through Friday, 8 hours per day. For more tips on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.